Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino Fitness Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make press-ups harder. Hi mga Bisaya rin ako. Pag-subscribe na mo sa akong channel, oy, mga kabisdak dyan. Hehe. Guys, to make press-ups harder, you need to use 3 chairs. Guys, here is a challenge for you. How many of these press-ups can you do?
Guys, whenever I used to go on holiday, I always used to do this if there was not a gym available. By using the 3 chairs, you're going a lot deeper and you're getting a deeper stretch on your chest muscles. So you're working your shoulders, triceps and chest. And if you suck your stomach in while doing them, you're also working your stomach and core muscles. It's a great all-round exercise.
Woo-ha! I think I did 15. Whew. Guys, whether you call them press-ups or push-ups, they are extremely hard to do. How many can you do? I hope you enjoyed this Filipino fitness video, guys. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. And remember, guys, keep flexing. Paalam. God bless. Guys, if you wanna know how I changed my body without counting calories and without doing cardio, check out my playlist and how I transform my body.